everybody.
What's going on, Chow?
Welcome to the Wooden Spoon Cooking Show.
I'm not sure what episode number this is. It says right here though.
Hope everybody's doing well and everybody's healthy. We thought we'd make a quick dessert today. It's something really easy. You can actually, all you need basically is what I have in front of me here, and you can use an already store-bought cake mix, brownie mix.
Brownie mix.
Brownie mix.
We're making espresso brownies.
Espresso brownies.
So let's get to it.
Okay. So, everybody, we're going to start in our bowl right here. We don't need to use a mixer. You can just whisk this. Nico's going to work today. He said I don't let him do anything. 1/3 cup of water. Okay. Oil.
I did not mean to do that, I swear to God.
1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Quarantine's getting to me.
Whoop. Here, put that in the sink. Don't get it on the floor. Now you're going to get it on the floor.
Oh, it's dripping.
Well, go. Put your hand under it. Now I need a towel.
Jesus.
Manaja. This is what happens when my kids are in the kitchen with me. Okay, so oil. We have 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Yeah, Nico didn't get to crack. And then we have espresso powder.
How much?
We're gonna use 2 tablespoons.
Not grounds.
I mean, it says espresso powder. I don't know. All right, whisk. Put the bowl down.
Well, I've seen
Whisk.
people do it when you lift the bowl up. I don't know.
What?
I've seen people do it like that.
What people?
Some guy on TikTok, he goes whiskey business, and he
That
holds
is
the
so
bowl.
weird. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
show
I
you
agree.
Whiskey business.
But
because whisking is all in your wrist.
you got it on.
You want to beat the eggs, and you want that coffee to dissolve.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, so now we're going to add our already brownie mix. This you're going to whisk it slow because if not, it'll go all over the place. Can I whisk?
No. You want to whisk?
Yeah. Slowly.
Why do you want to be on camera all of a sudden?
Oh, it smells like
So
espresso.
today,
You
Junior.
said slowly.
Did you guys learn nothing from me?
I had some.
You especially.
Now what?
Well, once this is all blended, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. It says semi-sweet. I don't buy semi-sweet chocolate chips. I only buy
Who buys semi-sweet chocolate?
milk chocolate. Well, some people don't like all the sweetness.
Oh, it smells so good.
All right, let's show it. See?
Get a good zoom in on it.
Okay, make sure. Now you know you don't overbeat brownies. You want to add the chocolate chips? Chooch?
Is this already measured?
It's already measured. Just dump them. You don't have to be dramatic. Here, whisk. Make yourself useful. Okay, now I have my pan. This is like my favorite pan. It's so old, but it doesn't stick. It's a Tefal. 13 by 9, and you're gonna spray it. Okay?
Did you already spray it?
I already sprayed
I
it.
already sprayed it.
One step ahead of you.
I'm not showing you guys anything.
Huh?
No.
What?
Nothing.
Wait, we're gonna bring the pan over here. Put that in the sink. Oh, raw eggs, salmonella. Okay, here, hold the bowl.
Oh, all I taste is espresso.
My kid's favorite is brownies.
Did you get a thumbnail?
Mom, look at the camera.
Hi. Do you guys know why you put coffee? What happens when you put coffee in chocolate?
Why don't you tell us?
You don't know? It intensifies the flavor of the chocolate. So even if you're making a chocolate cake and you want to add like whatever your liquid ingredient is in your cake mix, you just add that in coffee. Like straight up cup of coffee. It calls for a cup of water and a cup of coffee.
Tastes good.
You are so disgusting. Stop! Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Go ahead and put it in the oven.
Get this?
Nico complains that I don't let him do anything. Oh, wait.
Why are you going so high?
Put it in the oven. And you're gonna set the timer for 35 minutes.
That's a long time.
Actually, set it for 30 and then we'll check it. Okay, everybody. just about 25 minutes. There's like a minute or so left, but I think they're done. I'm gonna check them. You just stick the toothpick in, nothing's on them, so they're done. So I would say what, 22 minutes?
Yeah,
At 350?
Yeah, 22, 25.
Yeah. So now they're gonna sit in the pan, which is why you don't wanna overcook them, because they're gonna keep cooking because you have to leave them in the pan. So you kind of want to judge it a little bit under than over. So we're gonna leave it there, and then they have to sit to cool, and we're gonna make the frosting for it right now. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of water in a small bowl. Okay, you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of the espresso powder in here. And you're gonna mix that up till it dissolves.
Dissolve.
It's done already? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And now here, we hold that. We have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. So we're going to add, oh, wait. We're gonna add some vanilla. How much vanilla? 1 teaspoon vanilla. Okay, mix that in. And then we need a tablespoon of butter that's softened, which I have right here.
Just stop stirring.
I'm gonna put the butter in with the powdered sugar. It's already softened. Whoop. Right, now pour that into the powdered sugar.
Then whisk.
Yeah, slowly. How's it coming?
It's coming.
Seems a little dry, right? No, that's good. If it comes too dry, you just add a little bit more water. Oh, it's a nice color.
Do you want to go so I can videotape it?
Yeah. Smells very espresso. And you just want to get the lumps out because you don't want to have the lumps of powdered sugar. And actually the recipe calls for it, you wait till the brownies cool. But when I make Texas brownies, I don't wait for them to cool because it will absorb this better. Where is? So we're just gonna pour it over top now. So we're gonna pour this over top while the brownies are still warm. We're gonna spread it because you don't want a lot of frosting anyways. Okay, and then we'll just let them cool. You can put them in the fridge if you want to, and we'll come back and show you. Nico will do his taste test.
I think I need an actual espresso first. Money. We drink our espresso without sugar. A little bit of espresso, then the brownie. Should I go brownie first?
Brownie first.
Brownie first?
Mm-hmm.
Espresso brownies. Food review. 1 bite.
Are they moist?
Mm-hmm. They're very much so. Give up on that.
Pretty easy to make. Simple, right? You should have all the ingredients. Maybe not the espresso powder. If you can't find espresso powder or you don't want to go to the store, just use regular coffee. Use like a French roast or something dark. That's all.
I'll give the brownie the score fairly. It's a very good brownie. We got 8.5 on the brownies. Delicious.
We love that we posted the Easter bread recipe.
This might be one of the best espressos I've ever made too.
Let's talk about the Easter bread and how many people made it.
Oh yeah, everybody made the Easter bread, which is awesome.
That's
Thank you guys
so
for all the
amazing.
support and for watching.
Thanks for showing the pictures. Do the same thing with the brownies. Anything you make of ours.
And comment what you want to see us make. We'll make it.
We got lots of surprises this week.
Yes, for sure. So we will see you guys soon. Arrivederci.
Ciao. Stay safe.